Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. So today is day first of my 60 days challenge. I started with 2 kilometer run and 2 kilometer walk. Like first I walk for 2 kilometers and then I run. And after that I did some stretching and some jump training to make my body flexible and to get ready for further workout. And after stretching I completed my abs workout of 4 sets, and each set had 50 reps. And after completed my abs workout, I started push-ups with open hands and closed hands, and I did almost 4 sets, and each set had 15 to 20 reps. And then I did some chin-ups and some pull-ups. That was a little bit difficult for me because it was like I did chin-ups after a long time. I know this is the beginning and this is the starting point for me. No shortcuts, no excuses, only pure discipline and consistency. So let's see where 60 days of focus, hard work and consistency can do. And I'm sure, inshallah, we will get the best of us, inshallah. So see you soon, enjoy the video and follow me and support me, inshallah. See you. Assalamu alaikum.